RTX 4090 laptop GPUs are the most powerful graphics cards of this generation. The first models have hit the shelves, many of them quickly going out of stock. RTX 4090 has made its way into the laptop segment and gaming laptops are looking stronger than ever. If you're considering buying one, here are our top 7 best RTX 4090 laptop recommendations for you. Starting off with the Acer Nitro 16. This is a reasonably priced gaming laptop that packs a powerful punch, equipped with a 13th generation Intel chip with i7 RTX 4090 graphics and up to 32GB of DDR5 RAM. This machine is capable of handling even the most demanding games effortlessly. The laptop boasts a sleek and modern design, including RGB lighting on the hood and keyboard for added style. The Nitro 16's display is also noteworthy, featuring a resolution of 2560 by 1600 feet and a decent 165Hz refresh rate for a crisp and responsive gaming experience. The laptop is equipped with the latest connectivity options such as HDMI 2.1, Thunderbolt 4, and Wi-Fi 6AX, making it perfect for streaming and online gaming with faster transfer speeds and improved wireless connectivity. All in all, the Nitro 16 is an excellent choice for gamers looking for a high-performance RTX 4090 laptop at a reasonable price. Next up, we have the Aorus 17X from Gigabyte, a laptop that strikes a perfect balance between minimalism and functionality. Its design is sleek and subtle with tasteful RGB effects that add a touch of a style without being over the top. Under the hood, the laptop is powered by a potent combination of an i9-3950HX processor and an RTX 4090 mobile GPU, offering top-notch performance for demanding applications and games. The total TDP of 230 watts ensures that the laptop can handle the most demanding tasks with ease. Besides, the wind force cooling system effectively dissipates heat, keeping the laptop running cool even under heavy loads. The 16-inch Quad HD screen boasts a refresh rate up to 240Hz, providing smooth and fluid visuals for an immersive gaming experience. Additionally, the Aorus 17X has a reasonable amount of ports on the back and side, making it easy to connect your peripherals. In conclusion, the Aorus 17X is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-performance laptop that combines a sleek design with top-notch performance. From Alienware, we have the M18, an RTX 4090 laptop that stands out from the crowd with its signature Alienware look. Its design is bold and unique, featuring an RGB grid on the back that adds a touch of style and flair. The backlit keyboard and much larger touchpad are both practical and visually appealing, making it easy to work or play for extended periods. It is powered by an up to i9-3900HX CPU and an RTX 4090 laptop GPU, making it a beast when it comes to performance. With 32GB of DDR5 memory and an upgraded SSD, you can store and run all your favorite games and applications with ease. The M18 is also loaded with ports on the back, including 2 Type-C and SD card slot and an HDMI, giving you plenty of options for connecting all your peripherals. The 18-inch Quad HD display boasts a 165Hz refresh rate, providing smooth and fluid visuals for an immersive gaming experience. In conclusion, the Alienware M18 is a laptop that delivers top-notch performance and style, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a laptop that stands out from the crowd. Asus has also refreshed plenty of its high-end laptops. With the RTX 4090 Mobo Shift, it offers a sophisticated design and top-notch specifications. It is among the best 16-inch gaming laptops available, powered by an Intel i9-3900H processor and an RTX 4090 GPU. This hardware configuration enables the laptop to handle even the most demanding games with ease. The display is a highlight, featuring a 240Hz mini LED panel. With Display HDR 1000 that delivers sharp and vivid images, the device also has a smart cooling system that uses liquid metal to keep the laptop cool during intense usage, and a 90-watt-hour battery that allows for long gaming sessions without needing to be plugged in. It also happens to have Dolby Atmos speakers that provide an immersive audio experience. In short, the Asus ROG Zephyrus M16 is a fantastic choice for gamers seeking a premium laptop with high-performance specs and cutting-edge features. When it comes to gaming on the go, the MSI Stealth Studio is an exceptional one. This is an ultra-light gaming laptop with a premium build and high-end specs. Its metal chassis and shuttle RGB backlighting make it both stylish and durable. The laptop also has a convenient fingerprint sensor for quick and secure login. The i9-13900 8 CPU and RTX 4090 GPU combined with DDR5 memory compatibility make the Stealth 7-inch Studio capable of handling gaming as well as rendering tasks. The enhanced cooling system helps keep the device cool even under heavy usage. It also happens to have a 4K display with 144Hz refresh rate that provides clear and smooth visuals. Furthermore, the 99.9% watt-hour battery allows for extended gaming sessions on the go. The laptop also features amazing sounding speakers, making it an excellent choice for gamers who demand the best in performance, style, and portability. Again from Asus, we have the ROG Strix SCAR. This is a premium gaming laptop that offers a stunning display. The laptop is available in two screen sizes, 16 and 18 inches, with a 6:10 aspect ratio that provides ample space for gaming and multitasking. The HDR-compatible mini LED 240Hz panel boasts a peak brightness of 1100 nits, providing clear and vivid images. The 13th Gen i9 CPU and up to 240 watts of TDP makes the ROG Strix SCAR M16 a powerhouse for gaming. The laptop also features liquid metal cooling with a triple fan system, which ensures efficient heat dissipation, allowing for stable performance even under heavy usage. The outstanding display combined with its premium design makes the ROG Strix SCAR M16 a top choice for gamers who demand the best in performance in visual fidelity. And finally, we have the Razer Blade 16. This is the best overall gaming laptop in the market with a minimal yet sleek design that appeals to both gamers and professionals. The combination of RTX 4090 GPU and Intel HX series CPU makes the Razer Blade 16 a powerhouse that can handle even the most demanding games with ease. The dual-mode mini LED panel provides clear and vibrant images with a refresh rate up to 240Hz. The laptop's 175-watt TDP along with its vapor chamber cooling ensures stable performance even under heavy usage. In addition to its performance, the Razer Blade 16 also features next-gen connectivity options including Thunderbolt 4 and Wi-Fi 6E, providing faster transfer speeds and better wireless connectivity. With its premium design, exceptional performance, and cutting-edge features, the Razer Blade 16 is a top choice for gamers and professionals alike.